know, like when you don't realise, oh, you just farted.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Girl Talk World. I'm Carly, and today we are at the Teen Awards. We're going to be speaking to celebs, little mix are here, so much going on, and I'll show you all around. Do you have any weird family traditions?
Just eat chocolate until we can't stand up anymore. I don't know if that's just a tradition or it's what I do.
We always buy, so my mum always just joke presents for everyone on the table every single year. It's like our favourite part.
Really?
Really? For everyone?
Random things.
Yeah, but like funny.
Yeah.
Funny jokes.
My sisters and I always used to put on like our own pantomime. We're a bit too old to do that now, so we have called it a day on that. But we were definitely doing that into like our late teens. Definitely doing that for far too long.
Oh, thank you, mate. Say hello, Bashi. Weird food habits, like it's more of like a Chinese Christmas.
Okay.
People go for like duck and pancakes. Like, I basically have like Christmas.
Any traditions that you do at Christmas?
Not any weird ones.
No.
We do have a game of Monopoly every year that gets quite intense.
And then
we have, instead of a star or an angel on top of the tree, we have a little toy monkey in a Christmas hat, and he goes on top of the tree every year. It started when I met my wife, and we were looking for something to go on top of the tree. We didn't have anything, and we had a little monkey who had magnetic arms, and we realised that he could just dunk around the top of the tree, and we thought, great, stick a Christmas hat on that, and we're sorted.
and he's going to be there forever?
He's there forever, that's it now. He's probably about 10 years in, yeah.
Do I? No. I don't think anything weird. My mum always buys everyone a table present. So she buys you a present and then there'll be a present at the table. And every year I forget and I feel guilty that we've all got a present of my mum and then we've not bought her one.
And what's the best present you've ever been given?
The best present I've ever been given is my PlayStation.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What games do you play?
Call of Duty, Destiny, Fortnite.
I once got a massage pillow which you put on a chair and then you kind of lean against it and these two balls whirl around and it was honestly amazing. It didn't last that long, it was cheaply made, but at the time it was wonderful and it really got the knocks out. It was quite sensational.
Worst present? Maybe some shoe cleaner I got, something to like polish my trainers. Very useful, not the most exciting. Yeah. A gift's a gift, isn't it? So you've got to be really grateful.
Worst present I ever got given was a Collins dictionary from my mum when I was in like year 6.
Did you pretend to like it?
Yeah, actually, because I only realised it was really bad. You know, like when you don't realise, oh, you just farted. You know, when you don't realise that it was terrible until you grew up and realise how bad your childhood was.
Worst one I've ever been given. A jar of olives. I don't know who gives anybody that for a Christmas present. From some old woman.
Did you pretend that you liked it, or did you give it back?
No, I had to pretend that I liked it.
Well, I once got my other half a camera, which was not the one that she'd asked for, and it was far too complicated, and neither of us knew how to operate it, and we've never taken a single photo of it.
What would be your bad present face? Like,
Well, thank you very much.
oh, thank you! Thank you so much! I'm a terrible actress. Okay, and what would your bad present face be? So if you've got a dictionary now...
If I got the dictionary, I'd be like, what?
Be a bad present face.
Oh, bad present face.
Oh, mine's like a... And that's a wrap. I hope you had so much fun watching this video. I had so much fun making it and meeting all the celebs. Can't believe I met Saffron. Hope you enjoyed the Christmas questions and I'll see you later. Actually, do you want to go on the red carpet with me? Yeah, they do. And today I'm just getting ready for tomorrow's Radio 1. Hi everyone, it's Carly. I'm here for... It's been a long day. Hi everyone, it's Carly and I'm filming for Girl Talk World, and today I'm getting ready for tomorrow's Radio 1 Teen Awards 29.